In strawberry land, the sun rose high, painting the fields beneath the sky. Fruits in hats and shades so bright gather at the station, hearts alight. Plumpie sang with a voice so sweet. Lemonio laughed and tapped his feet. A rainbow train, each carriage a fruit. On tracks of fun, the gang took root. Peary strutted in a fruity fashion show. Banana Joe spun beats that made them go through rolling hills and fields so green. Juicy falls awaited, sparkling and clean. Peary strutted in a fruity fashion show. Banana Joe spun beats that made them go through rolling hills and fields so green. Juicy falls awaited, sparkling and clean. Picnic shared with laughter and cheer. Stories and songs everyone could hear. As sunset painted the sky with flair, the strawberry train rolled home with care. Memories made, friendships grew, a magical day with the fruity crew. And all the fruits sang one last refrain, hoping to ride the strawberry train again. Peary strutted in a fruity fashion show. Banana Joe spun beats that